you're an amazing person. We're so happy to have you here at the Genuvia's Hotel, and we're so sad to see you leave. So we've got a little leaving gift for you, so you can remember us. And just from us all, to say how much we care about you, and please keep in contact with us, yes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
No.
In a short while, we will be carrying out the fire drill and equipment test. During this time, the fire alarm will sound in 2 intervals for a few seconds. You are not required to take any action. Thank you for your cooperation.
Very good, very good.
Let's go.
Very good.